Hell no. Y'all see the shit I'm talking about?
Since that day you passed me, go ahead and twerk it for me. Go ahead and shake it for me. Go ahead and twerk it for me. Go ahead and shake it.
Y'all see that bridge? Let me zoom in for y'all. We going all the way down there. Y'all see how dangerous these? Boy, one slip and you done. Huh?
Sorry.
Hello, no, it's okay. Ooh. Y'all see this little trail? Oh boy. Look at me out here recording on this little trail just for y'all. Just so y'all can see. Oh, damn. Give me a second. Damn, boy. And it's like rocks. And it's like dirt. It's not hard. It's like soft, rocky dirt. You know? One slip and one slip and you're fucked. Look, see? Let me put this. Put this in my right hand. Hello, hello.
Good. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Look at this, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. One fall and you're done for. Look at this. the view. Now we're just going straight down. Hello.
I was on the bottom of the canyon on Monday and it was 115 degrees.
Oh, wow. Oh, damn.
Yeah, it was not pleasant.
Happy trails.
Where are you guys from?
Florida.
Oh, wow. So this is really cold for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dry.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's fun. Let me get the angles for y'all. That is the gold. That is the checkpoint. Okay.
Yeah, you know, I'm using this stick now, boy. I ain't taking no chance. How's it going? What you doing, rim to rim?
Yes, indeed. How about yourself? What do you guys do? Camping
Rim
at
to
the
rim.
bottom?
Yeah, camping at the bottom, but rim to rim.
At Bright Angel Campground near the Phantom Ranch?
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is good. 3 days ago it was 116 degrees down.
How much is it? Oh, it's 85 now.
Oh, it's going to be beautiful for you guys. You picked the right time to be here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
enjoy yourselves.
Good, thank you.
To be in the canyon.
Okay.
Cheers, man.
I'm trying to use the stick. Hmm? Boy, you look like you hurting already.
Yeah, my right ankle.
Your right ankle?
I mean, not ankle, knee.
Did you bring both sticks?
Oh.
I told you, you need them to take some of that pressure off your leg. Let me get by you, man, so you can find a place to walk.
Do I know what you for?
Huh?
I'm gonna go run.
I ain't running.
Just remember, I ain't got no service. Huh? Yeah. Watch your step. Thanks, Dash. No problem, kid. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't know how the hell these people be walking so fast. Like, damn. Sheesh, take your time. The bottom ain't gonna run from y'all. Oh shit, look at this, y'all. Gotta parkour this hoe. Ooh. Damn, what the fuck? Can it nothing be smooth? Oh. Ooh. E. Oh. Ooh. Oh, damn. I'm a fuck. Oh, shit. Look at this. I'm gonna take my time. These motherfuckers down here running down the canyon. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. Y'all see how the view look nice? It doesn't feel nice. Motherfucker hurt my toes. My toes crying for help. But look, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'ma just let y'all. Whoa, this got steep. I'ma just let y'all enjoy the view. The view. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the view. If you got a bad knee, I advise you not to do this. Motherfucking rock so slippery. Oh damn. Oh, another advice. If you planning on hiking the Grand Canyon, bring some sticks. Bring some sticks. If not, you gonna need it. I should have brought my other one, but I was thinking about y'all. But nah, I'm sorry. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I should have said, oh hell no. Y'all see the shit I'm talking about? Quick feet. Oh shit. Quick feet. Oh no. Oh no. Damn, I wish it was a shortcut to get down. Ow, fuck. Look at this. I see the view. Look at it. This is not enough for my fat ass to come. Hold on. Let me change hands with my stick. Cause I most definitely do not want to fall. Oh, y'all see the house? Do y'all see the house? I see it. If you don't, I'm sorry. Yeah, so a little update. I'm still alive. Whew, my toes hurt. But guess, if you was watching before, we almost at the checkpoint. We are almost at the checkpoint, guys. After all them years of me slaving for I can finally say I did something I wanted to do. We made it to the checkpoint.
Wow. Look at the view.
We are doing this. All the way down there to the canyon.
Yeah, that's not even the bottom.
We made it to the checkpoint. See? We're doing this, guys. We are doing this. We gotta go all the way down there to the canyons. We got this. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, it ain't easy. This ain't easy. When I get back, I'm gonna start working out. I can say one thing about the canyon. It's like a roller coaster, or should I say a relationship. 1 minute you're going down, next minute you're going up. I got bad knees.
It ain't nothing but you, baby girl, a savage. Yeah, you classy, but you nasty. Reminiscing ever since that day you passed me.